Hello, in this video, I want to show you how to check a limit in your PayPal account. That is your sending, your receiving, and the withdrawal limit in your PayPal account. Anytime you create a PayPal account, PayPal will place a certain limit in that PayPal account and require you to do some certain tasks for them to remove that limit. So in this video, I will show you how to check the limit in your PayPal account so that you can see for yourself what the limit is. And then before we dive into this tutorial, if you are new to this channel, my name is Kevin Obina from NetWealth.com. For NetWealth.com is where I share a lot of tips and techniques on how to make money online. And in this channel, I share a lot of tutorial videos related to how to make money online. And sometimes I share social media marketing tips and tutorial just like this. So if this interests you, consider subscribing to the channel. And then before we dive into this tutorial, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification icon so at any time I upload a new video, we get a notification about it. Now, before you can check a limit in your PayPal account, you must first have a PayPal account. So if you live in Nigeria and you want to learn exactly how I created this my PayPal account here, how I created this my PayPal account, exactly how I created it, the step-by-step method I used to create this PayPal account, then I check the description of this video. That there you can find a link to my guide. Inside the guide is a full course. I have created a course that will walk you step by step how to create the PayPal account, either from your smartphone, or if you use your phone, it will show you exactly how I created this my PayPal account. If you want to use your computer, I showed you exactly how to create it from your computer. So check out the description of the video so that you can get the course that will show you exactly how I created this my PayPal account. Now, after you have created your own PayPal account and you need to log in, so once you are logged into your PayPal account, you will see the activities in your PayPal account. Here I have my PayPal balance here, and the activities here. So what you need to do to check your sending, your receiving, and the withdrawal limit in your PayPal account is to click on this icon here, which is settings icon. So you need to click on settings here and scroll down to this account settings. So you click on account settings and it will load up. So here it is. So it is loading up and here it is. So what you need to do is to scroll down to this limits. You can see limits here. So limits on your account. So here is this. So what you need to do is to click on this view. So click on view and it will load up, and here it is, account limits. I can see here account limits. So here you can find the limits in your PayPal account. So here in my PayPal account, the limit I have for balance limits here, the balance limit is no limit. So daily I have no limits, so I can receive unlimited amount inside my PayPal balance. So the receiving, I have no limits. So here this is the receiving limits. So daily I have no limits, so I can receive unlimited amounts of money to this my PayPal account. That is no limits, no limits placed inside this my PayPal account. So and here is the sending limits. So this is this sending limits, the sending limits yearly I can send using this my PayPal account is 3.7k, over 3.7k USD. That is 3,007, over 3,007 dollars using this my PayPal account yearly. So yearly, that is the amount I can send using this my PayPal account. So anytime I receive money and I want to send, the maximum amount I can send is up to 3,007 dollars. So that is it. And I have what is remaining now is this of this here. So that is the one that's remaining now, because I have sent certain amounts of dollars using this my PayPal account. So this is what is remaining. And then the withdrawal limits here, the withdrawal limits, there is no limits also. So that is the amount I can withdraw to my card, to my bank. So there is no limits attached to that. So and this my PayPal account, I haven't linked any card or bank to it yet. So what I need to do to lift this limit, to remove this limit is here. Lift limits, I need to click it. So in rare cases, there must be other limitation in place to help protect your accounts. So now what I need to do to lift this limits is to click on this lift limits, and it will take me to link my US bank account. That is my US bank. So if I have a bank that is a US bank, I can link it to my PayPal account to lift those limits. Okay, so here I need to enter my US bank account. If it is checking, I select it. If it is savings, I select it. And if let me say if it is checking, I enter the routing number and the account number, and I click on link your bank. So once I am successfully linking this my account and everything it went successfully, my sending limits will be lifted. So that is how to check a limit in your PayPal account. So if this video, if you found any video, if you found any value from this video, kindly give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification icon so that any time I upload a new video, we get a notification about this. So here is my channel. As you can see, you can also consider checking different videos that I have made on this channel. So this is the recent videos. You can check for yourself. You can watch them anytime you have a time and chance. You can be able to watch those videos that I have uploaded here in my channel. So thank you for watching the video. I remain Kevin Obinna from networktech.com. You can also as well consider checking the website, which is networktech.com, and again, remember the link to the full PayPal course is in the description of the video. So check out the course, and you can get it so that you learn exactly how to get your own PayPal account that will help you receive payments as well as send out payments right here in Nigeria. So because I am right here in Nigeria, so with the course guide, you can be able to learn how to create the PayPal account that will help you send and receive payments. Have a nice day here. So here I am stopping.